am Dr. Srinivas Chaganti Bhaskar from India. We have developed this particular technology of flywheel power generation. This flywheel is a special flywheel because the inside part is a harrow, H-A-R-R-O-W. The top is the torus ring. The harrow and the torus ring will make a wheel which will be giving you more inertia and more angular acceleration. This wheel will rotate at 4500 rpm to 6000 rpm. The bearings are there inside the wheel. This is the motor. The motor is 22 kilowatt. It is 3000 rpm. This will rotate the flywheel at 4500 rpm. There is a gearbox here that we are not showing you now. The gearbox is there. So this gearbox will enhance the RPM to 6000 RPM, and then this flywheel is connected to a generator. This is 32 kilowatt generator having 56 amps. This generator we have already tested with a load of 17 kilowatt input, and we have successfully generated enough electricity. From this particular motor, the consumption is 17 amps. From this generator, it is 28 amps. So 10 amps is more in this particular sector. We have taken a load of two 6 kilowatt pumps. So this flywheel can be taken as an example to generate enough electricity for every home. Every home can have this particular system, where in the bottom side you will be having the battery pack. The bottom side is totally empty, and in the back this is the empty space in this particular area where the battery pack will come, and it will be connected to the motor. The batteries are charged by rechargeable energies, and in this way this particular generated energy which is consumed by this motor is supplied by the batteries which are stored in the bottom side, and this motor will be rotating this particular flywheel with the energy stored in the batteries, and this flywheel will rotate the generator which is coupled to this particular flywheel. So in this way every home can generate 10 amps every hour and store in their batteries. Thereby in one day of continuous rotations you will be generating 240 amps. That will be enough to run your home for 4 days or 5 days or 10 days or 30 days depending upon your usage. So in this way, if you are in a position to take this machine for every home, then every home will become an independent power generation plant, a power generation sector in every home. A self-employment is created. Every home can have its own energy, its own power generation, its own workshop, and by working in your home you can become an independent person. Thereby you don't have to depend on the government nor on the public, and you can demand your own requirement by using this particular flywheel, and you can live happily generating your own electricity. You can charge your electrical vehicles when you have your own electricity. You can charge your entire home needs by your own electricity. This is a design where we are using belts and pulleys to couple one to another and another to another. In this way we are having lot of losses. So in our next design what we are doing is we are removing this particular motor and we are keeping it next to the flywheel. From here we will be connecting it with the flange, and there the flange will be connected to a speed decreasing gearbox and to the alternator. There the alternator will be placed in a straight line. So this motor is 22 kilowatt and it is having the capacity to rotate 3 tons of flywheel. So in this way, when this flywheel is in a position to rotate and generate 6 kilowatts of energy, the wheel weight is 430 kilograms. So when we are dividing 3 tons by 430 kilograms, we will be having 7 wheels. So 7 6 are 42. 42 kilowatts are generated by using 22 kilowatt motor. This is the innovation we have done, and this innovation is helpful for each and everyone, for home, for medium industry, small scale industry, cottage industry, and this will definitely revolutionize the flywheel technology in power. This is the motor. This is 22 kilowatts. This is 430 kilograms weight wheel. This is a Taurus and Harrow wheel. This is a 32 kilowatt alternator. The motor is rotating this particular wheel with the current what we are getting naturally from the grid. We are taking the current from the grid for this experiment, and we are taking this particular flywheel to 2500 RPM, slow and slow, and this alternator will rotate at 1500 RPM. Thereby we will be putting two 6 kilowatt pumps as load. The pumps are here, and very soon once the RPM is taken for 2500, then we will be switching on the pump, and you can see the load applied on this particular generator. And the flywheel RPM is constant. There is no decrease in the flywheel RPM nor in the RPM of the motor. Thereby we are in a position to show a successful flywheel power generation system.